Good day, everyone. Well, actually, it's good afternoon. It's almost evening, actually. It's 5 o'clock, past 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, as you can see, we have there the building, and that's Jasper with the fishing pole. And I'm going to give you an update. Yes, sir. Wait sa ha. Wait sa kadi kay mag-video sa si mami. Ayo sa pata ka og gamit ana kay di ka kamao ha. Wait sa ni mami ha kay mabali na. Asa naman punis man lang eh. So, I'll take you here in front. Let's go in front first. Hold on. I'll stand here in front. So that's the first floor. As you can see, we have the walls already installed. I don't know if I'm using the right word, installed, but we already have the wall there. We changed our mind. Well, we changed our plan. We put concrete instead of bamboo, but we still have a lot of bamboo there for the floor, for the railings, for the walls on the second floor. So I'll take you in the inside. Dihara ka be. Wait sa kay mag-videos ako kadiyot. Okay. Dito ra ka nas Kuya James dito. Tuwa. Ta Kuya James. Go. So here, this door, as you can see, there's already jam. This is the entrance, and that door is the exit. Let's go here. We have the window jam. We have the door jam for the bathroom. I'll take you here. Entrance. So it's already finished. There's already finishing on the walls, and we already have this electrical stuff built in, and we have this panel. This panel is cute. So there's 8 slots, 8 how do you call this, window panel. It's cute panel. Our panel in the US is like, it looks big and big. It's like 4 of this maybe. Correct me, love, if I'm wrong, but that's very cute. And then we have the wiring that goes to the bathroom. We have another electrical stuff here. And since I requested to add a shower here for the second floor, we have to add this pillar that goes through the ground till the ground. So there's gonna be a support for the flooring here. And as you can see here, there's another hole that's for another electrical stuff. That door is going to the kitchen, and it's already it's ready for the how do you call that, the door installation. We already have the jam. This, as you can see there, that's the steps going to the second floor. And then that's another window, and that's the exit door. We are going to have a sliding door. It's a barn door. Yep, I love barn style. That's why it's a barn door. And this electrical stuff. This will be the outlet for the lights outside here, and lights there, because the, how do you call this, the porch is wrapped around. As you can see, it's still empty there, but there will be a bamboo floor to be installed there. Yes, sir. And this will be our kitchen. This part here, from that end to that end. I like a big kitchen. You can cook and move freely. And this is the outdoor bathroom, the bathroom for the first floor. Yep. So I'll take you to, I don't know if I can go upstairs. I'm not sure. But upstairs we already have the I'm not gonna go upstairs. I'll just take a video here. We'll already have the floor joist there. See, as you can see, it's ready for flooring, and this will be our floor. It's a Philippine marine, and it's 3/4 thick Philippine marine. And there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pieces of marine. And we have this cement. They just delivered that today. Just for, yep, so there, floor joist for the second floor. So I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. That will be our cistern, our septic tank. Look at the dogs. They are ups playing. That will be a, those plots there, that will be a garden for the eggplant garden actually. Yeah, so these are the wood for the steps. Jasper, ano imo man ang ipang buak? Ayaw, Jasper. Let's go. So that's it. Thank you very much. God bless you all. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. We also have sacks of cement that were delivered today. And this will be our septic tank here. There will be, look at that, the bus. That bus goes to the city every day. So there will be 3 compartments for this septic tank. It's a beautiful afternoon here. Yeah, so that's our second floor or first floor roof doesn't have the paint yet. We'll have to paint that later. Yes, sir. So that's it. Again, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye.